Good morning mga ka-miners. Nandito po ngayon tayo sa Paseo de Lipa, in Lipa, Batangas. Paseo de Lipa is 100 hectares pre-selling project by City Homes Builders. Ano po bang mayroon sa Paseo de Lipa? Ang Paseo de Lipa po ay may 5 residential phases, 4 mixed commercial zone, 3 connecting bridges, 2 entrance gate, and 1 spine road. Ano nga po bang pagkakaiba ng Paseo de Lipa sa ibang subdivision? Ang Paseo de Lipa ay hindi po ordinaryong subdivision, but it is a township. We offer here townhouse and single detached. Each unit have solar panel and 2 water tank. Short, in Paseo de Lipa, we offer sustainable living with numerous benefits not only for the environment but also for the individual and communities. Ano pang inaantay mo? Tawag na!